Be best. No? Hindi. Okay. I thought it's from here. Okay. Hindi one, I'm so sorry. Is that worth it? Do you like it? Okay, hold on. Do you like quicker? You love it quicker or no? Squeaker, no. Is that worth it or no? I'm trying. I lose. You lost? No, you're not. Shit. Well, just be careful because the sky. Huh? The sky? What do you mean? Okay. You reach for the sky. Okay. How many kids do you have? I have two, sir. Two. Girl and boy. Hold on, huh? Okay, next. Okay. Next. You happy? Hold on. Last one. Dali na. This is Starlight. Dali na. Who would like this one? Tubag na yun. This one is Starlight. Sige na. Which one? Who would like this? Remember, I have extra. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do you want to have X-ray? You have surgery? Oh, I'm sorry. You got surgery? Oh, what do you mean? Okay, do you like it? Guys, come on na. No. You like it or no? Yes or no, Dayon? Okay. I Sir Chad. Okay. Fix the goal. Dali, Dayon. What, honey?
Want water?
You want more water?
Mommy blue. Mommy blue. Mommy nothing. Why? Blue.
Okay. Fix my goal, guys. You're right. Yeah. I can wear it to the other side, but not this side. Okay, come on. Fix this one. Quicker! Sige na, quicker. It's your turn. Quicker. Dali na, quicker. I always miss the other. Yeah, I know. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Wait, I should to surprise this to you guys. Hold on. But don't be worried, I will make a video, okay, for this. Unlike this top, I will make a video, okay? So, don't be worried. Hi. I know, Quicker, you like simple, so you deserve it. Quicker, I know you like simple stuff. Simple outfit. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Hi, Quicker. You like it? Dali na yun. I know you don't like this one, but sorry. The one. You like it? Hello, kung tummy mo. It's good. Diyan na nga ni. yata yun. Oh no, quicker you like it, quicker. Ayaw pag-ignore akong underwear, ha? Whatever any color of my underwear. Hi, Bob. Whatever the color of my underwear, ignore it, ha? Oh, thank you for the roses, ha? Aray, aray. Ate, I'm hungry. Wait, quicker, don't forget to order the foods for me. Shit. Okay. Hello, do you like it? What did you say? No fries, right? I want a crab. Crab. Okay, let me change again. I don't know. Kind of like this skirt with, I don't know what I'm gonna match this. Okay, who would like this one? Dali! For only 200 coin. 200 coin, hello! Ikaw na po. Who would like? Chad. 200 coin, Chad. Chad, sige na. Chad, oh. 200 coin. Sige na, Chad. 200 coin. Dali. They have a direct attack. March. Oh, March. This one looks like... Yeah, I know. Covers too much. Ay! Ikaw talaga sa'yo na gusto na. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, it's a little bit hard. Oy, I just wanna gonna matching though. Hold on, ha? Not done yet. Hold on. Wait, I said the okay. If I don't know better, I know. I think you. What? Hold on.